you're up. I feel like Uncle T doing? Did he spill a beer? What are you making? Hi, bud.
See these cutting skills?
No.
Macaroni. Chilling with Uncle Tony.
And you're changing.
Yeah.
It's all just like pruning.
That hard living out of day.
But was there anything, like, did you find anything? I got like a little
I think that's like that Caleb's kind of doing. Like she's not really too found.
Wow!
Hair.
That's fun! Long hair! Don't you dare let go.
Just to think, like, one of these days he'll just casually like turn and just walk over.
Yeah.
Kind and respectful, but
Just
like
they want to tear out.
mischievous,
Yeah.
Oh, I saw her thing, yeah.
I got clogged is because we had our water
The leaf.
diverted and filled up like a rain barrel.
I bet you people just.
He's gonna grow up and be like, why does all my baby footage suck? Good?
Dude, this is like the only good one left.
Oh, that's
The other
sick.
ones are just like. Don't
Don't be here.
So bad.
Oh, you're zooming big time. I don't like it.
This is like humongous. Cheers.
Oh.
Kevin before one Jaeger bomb.
Let's go, baby.
Alright, here we go. It's a
Which tree is that?
tree up against the building.
It's a deciduous.
This thing is so sick. 8 of.